So over here, if I were to access my past section right here, let's say for example, it says generate a chart right here, just like this, and let's say for example, a photography competition announcement and so forth. So let's say for example, I want to go ahead and say like I want this kind of a prompt for future. So in that case, I can go to a prompt that I want right here and simply say to get a similar result in future, write the prompt I can give for it right here. So I can simply go ahead and say this. So to get a similar result in future, write the prompt I can give for it. So now what happens is that it'll analyze out the result right here, and then it will give me a prompt right here. For example, you can see that it says create a Python script to generate a MIDI file for a bright and cheerful music. So you can see that under the quotes right here, it gave me the prompt. So now what I can simply do is, let's say for example, copy this out, and I can go ahead and create a new chat, let's say for example, and paste this out and hit the send button. So once you go ahead and do that, what actually will happen is that it'll give out the same type of an output. So you can see that it says below is a Python script that generates a bright and cheerful MIDI file using Mido library, and then this is what you have. As you can see, it generated out a similar output by using the prompt. And that is how you can generate prompts for outputs for future use inside of DeepSeek, just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.